What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. I thought we would head down this aisle, look at some cleaning supplies, maybe some car items. I don't know, we'll just see what we can find. Wow, my store has lots of essential oils from Airwick, pretty much all from Airwick, but we do have some Sure Scents as well. 5 diapers from Fisher Price. That's the most diapers I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, and we have little onesies. Brown onesies, yellow onesies, and black onesies. Those are back. The nice big sponges, fresh scented glass wipes, citrus scented multi-surface wipes, lemon scented protective wipes. Is that it? Yeah. And then the wax applicator pads with the tire shine applicator as well. We also have some Armor All car wash. This is like the Armor All and super glue area. Car wash, protectant, tire shine. We have the little trees, all the different super glues, the epoxy glue, the little tiny single-use ones. Love that idea. Things for painting. I was hoping to find another one of those round black oil pans because I use one on my ASMR channel, Bunny Birdie Gator ASMR, and I just love it. And I wouldn't mind having a backup. Okay, so behind me, we have all of the things for fragrance or home air care, I think they call it. Alps Breeze. Just looking to see if we have any fresh new scents. The Wizard sprays. You guys have probably seen most of these. And then up top we have a bunch of new items, or I should say a bunch of items, period. We have a bathroom cleaner, spray starch, spray disinfectant, furniture polish, 2 varieties. I guess we just have a bunch of them up here. That one is so pretty up there, that Ajax. Super pretty pink. Here it is again, look at that. Oh, so pretty. I've never gotten that one. Like, I want to though. Like, I want to try all of the soaps. I just love shopping for cleaning supplies. You guys know that. And this stuff is amazing. Amazing, you guys. This is amazing too. It smells really great. That's the LA's Totally Awesome Bathroom Cleaner and Fresh Scent. We have Tidy Bowl. We have the 160 pack of Tough Plus all-purpose cleaning wipes. They are pretty thin though, but you get a lot. It says good for auto, home, and hands. We have the super famous in ASMR land blue Ajax. If you like to watch Clean Talk, that blue Ajax is super popular right now. Everyone loves it. We have the Windshield washer fluid down below. Nice big jugs of it. And then we also have the all season in case you're still getting some bad weather. Yeah, I love this aisle. Scrub free oven cleaner. Foam bath cleaner with bleach. That's Comet. Oh, they named it Floral Delight. I like that Pinalin. It smells really nice. Spick and Span, Fabuloso, Lime Away, Ocean Paradise from Fabuloso. What's your favorite Fabuloso scent? Let me know in the comments. If you use Fabuloso, what is your favorite, all-time favorite Fabuloso scent? One of my favorites has to be the lavender. I love the lavender so much. And I haven't tried any of the antibacterial ones, but I know people love the antibacterial ones and swear by it. I really do love the lavender Fabuloso though. Okay, let's head over to the laundry stuff. 40 in a pack. Fresh linen. We have Suavitel, 20 in a box. 40 in a box, more fresh lavender. 18 Suavitels in a box. For the game, we only get 15. Dryer Soft, 40. Yes, they totally phased out our Breezy, at least in this location. Do you guys still have Breezy in your store? We used to get 50 to 55 in a box of Breezy. Now the most we can get in a box is 40 here at this location. We also have the 10 laundry pods. You can also find these at Family Dollar. They're marked $1. Powder laundry detergent, 24 ounces. More Suavitels up here. Love Suavitel. Also, if you love Suavitel and you use it, what is your favorite scent? I have never tried a Suavitel that I didn't like. I really like this yellow one a lot. This is Morning Sun. And then I don't think I've tried the Suavitel Completes though. We have, what is this one? Waterfall Mist and Sunshine Bloom. I haven't tried either of those. Ooh, and then we also have Field Flowers. I like that one also. I just feel like smelling all these things right now. I'm just in that mood. What do you guys think about these? Island Fresh Scent, LA's Totally Awesome. I've heard people say that they really like this jug of purple, but to be honest, I think I've maybe only tried LA's Totally Awesome once. Now I have tried like the Fab and the Ajax, but I've never tried the LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergent. I think I have this pre-wash at home though. It's pretty average. Wow, look at this nice, neat display. Oh my gosh, look at that. Perfection. Total perfection. We get 3 mesh bags in a pack. Has anyone tried those? I'm just kind of in the mood to know, like, have you guys tried some of these items that I haven't tried? Because 3 mesh bags in a pack is a really good deal. But I have some lingerie bags, little mesh bags that I got from Tide some years ago, and I'm still using them, and they're really good. But thank you guys so much for joining me here in Dollar Tree. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.